Hello guys, your boy Richard here. Today I'm going to do my online startup review. Quickly show you exactly what this program is all about, what the free course is all about, so that you can be able to have a complete my online startup review and what it is, the pros and cons of course, and then the things to look out for when you get started. Now I am going to do this review using my mobile phone, of course. If you have your mobile phone, there is a link here on this video. All you need to do is just type in this, click on it, and you get into this particular program. It is free. For example, it's free, guys. This is completely free. And with this program, anybody at all, whether you have previous knowledge or previous experience or not, you should be able to use this program to start your online business. Now, what I find very interesting and very impressive about this program is not just because I am doing this to get paid or something. Guys, this program is free. For example, you are not paying anything to join this, and this program will enable you to start your online business like today. For example, if you click the button below and you just use your simple email, no credit card, no payment method is required. And once you get into this, you come to this page here, all right, and then you watch this video. This is a getting started video. Call it intro video. The founder of this program is Chuck Nguyen. Chuck Nguyen is a very successful online business entrepreneur. He put together all his knowledge, experience, and then built something remarkable to enable people to come out of poverty, literally, because he went through fire and brimstone, what I call fire and brimstone. Everybody went through that if you're starting an online business, especially when you don't have any guide or help. But he been there, done that, been scammed, been a victim of so many scams, lost money, and then he put all this experience together, and then he hit the rock bottom, proverbial rock bottom, of course. And then he came up with this idea that, look, everybody should have access to something that will enable them. Before you pay for anything to get from point A to B, it has to be your choice. You don't have to be mandated to pay for anything. That's what this course is all about. Now, with this free course here, this guide is 100% free, completely 100% free. You don't need to pay anything to get into this program and start utilizing what is in this particular training, because it is free, and it's going to be free forever. Now, when I scroll down, you see step 1, game plan, step 2, success mindsets, step 3, affiliate marketing, step 4, lead generation, step 5, authority platform, step 3, YouTube marketing, just like I'm doing now. Step 7, forum marketing. Step 8, targeted solo ads. It's got everything you need to succeed with your online business for completely free. What this means is you are not paying for anything. You don't need to pay for anything. Although there is opportunity to actually make money with this program. This is optional, guys. If you want to make $100, for example, up to $100 or more every day with this particular program, all you have to do is share this program for free. It's simple as that. Share this program for free. But this is not what this is not what I'm talking about today. Today I want to give you the pure value that lies in this particular program. You can see I'm using my mobile phone, for example, guys. I don't even have the time, like the comfort. I'm doing this on the fly. What you call on the fly. You see, technology is changing everything. You can do a lot of things in the mobile now. So time has gone when you want to wait for the right time, wait for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. The perfect time you have is now, guys. Perfect time you have is now. This program is completely 100% free. All you have to do is click the link below, all right, and then create a free account with a simple email. Watch this intro video here. Chuck will tell you, he will explain to you what this program is, how it can benefit you from scratch, and then you get into this training quickly. All these things here is just to give you the chance that you can make money with this program. You can join Chuck Inner Circle if you want to. We can claim your done for you lead generation system. This is complete lead generation system that will enable you to attract emails, build your email list, and then send out autoresponders, and then build relationship, trust with your list, and be able to sell them autopilot with any kind of product that will enable them to become successful in the future. But this is not what this particular review I'm doing right now is about. This particular review is about these free courses here, guys. I'm talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 of them. 8 of them, free solid courses. Anybody who is interested in building online business, for example, getting into the affiliate marketing, or trying to make money online in any source, in any way, especially in this economic meltdown caused by the coronavirus pandemic, this right here is what you need. Yes, I've talked about a lot of programs out there. Talked about a lot of high paying affiliate marketing and so on and so forth. Some of them are free to join, some of them are not. But this one right here, guys, you don't need to pay anybody any money to join this. All you have to do is create your simple with a simple email account. You can create your own free account, log in, and then start going through these trainings one by one. Now, there is one big advantage I want to mention here, guys. This is not just only what this program is all about. There is a private mastermind Facebook group that comes with this particular program. This is where all the successful entrepreneurs are. This what that Facebook Facebook means is a mastermind of people who have been successful. Bear in mind, this program has 100,000 members already. So you're not just joining because you are, you're the first one or second one. No, a lot of people are already here. A lot of people are already making money with what they find in this particular program. A lot of people are already generating income on daily basis. And you will get to see people who are making money, who are actually using this program to make money every day. And you can actually copy what they are doing, or communicate with them, network with them, get their advice. They will advise you on how to build their own online business and set it up, and start attracting the deals, the leads you need. That's if when you are really ready to take your online business to the next level. So I'm going to be doing videos like this once in a while, and I'm going to be showing you exactly what I'm doing, and also the step-by-step of how everything is working out, and also what you can do. Now, if you get into this program today, this particular intro video here is only 21 minutes to give you a broad view of what you're going to expect, and also what you can be able to do is action-based video. So training, so you need to implement everything you are doing. So guys, take step, click the link below, click like and share, and also I'll see you next, and God bless, stay safe, and keep hustling. Bye bye.